Good morning, Ankita. धीरे से वो ऑन कर दो ना ये बटन, ये रेड लाइट दिख रहा है, वो वाला प्रेस कर दो बस. बाकी लोगों ने क्या वो देख रहे हैं और कोर्स की छोड़ दिया क्या है? नो आइडिया. टफ टॉपिक्स
एंड में ऐसे होता है. एंड में किधर पे ऐसे होता है.
ठीक है. 2 minutes तब तक ओपन स्पाइडर हैंड्स ऑन.
घरी बसून आज तो व्हायरल होतं. पण नाही माऊस गेले तर कोणाला विचारणार. अरे मी तर घरी बसून ना आता मी YouTube चालू करतो. वायफाय नाही घरी. कटाईम बरं. तेच होतं इंटरनेट नाही ना. अरे पण घरी काय होतं एकदा नाही का इंटरनेट गेला ना काहीच इच्छा नाही. इंटरव्ह्यू कुठं हे करा पण आणि जे काम करायचं करा. नशीब ती करते ते आपण एवढं नाही. तशी विचारला विचारला की एलिमेंट्स काय म्हणते. हा मी टेक्निकल टीमला पाठवते. कधी पाठवायचं भाई तिला खाली असतं नाही बोलायचं किती आठवडा झाला धर्मेशला जायला झाला. तिने पाठवलं येईल नाही की आता पाठवतो ना पुढे.
Is my screen visible, Ankita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today's topic is text analytics. Now, what we have done so far in analytics is working with a specific kind of a data, right? What is that called? What is that data called? What? There are 3 types of data. What are they? or I should say forms of data. There are 3 forms of data.
Like CSV type.
हाँ, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? There is a specific name for that. Form of data. Quick. ये सब statistics पे किया था. What are the 3 forms of data? Ankita?
Numeric, categorical.
No, those are the data types. I'm telling about the forms of data. Structure. And very good. And structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. Right? Structured data. What is structured data? Correct. So structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. These are the 3 forms of data, right? Structured data kya hai? So something which has rows and columns. Okay, example is CSV file, Excel file, databases. These are all examples. What is semi-structured form? Something which has a form but not properly defined. Okay, for example, XML file, HTML file, right? It has a form. You have a starting tag, ending tag. Have you seen an XML file? तो कैसा रहता है? You have a tag, है कि नहीं? तो heading. Okay, this is program, and then close heading. Okay, open tag, close tag. Within a tag, you can have another tag. Okay, so heading के अंदर title, and then close the title, and then you have the text within that. So you have a structure, but not properly, or rather I should say not very easy to read. That is called semi-structured. Then we have unstructured data. What is unstructured data? Free form text. उसको बोलते हैं free form text. Free form text does not follow any pattern or rules. You can write whatever you want, any number of spaces. Okay, you can have tables, you can have images in that embedded. Okay, that is called free form text. Now, text analytics is going to deal with unstructured data. How to read unstructured data, how to process unstructured data, how to extract information from unstructured data, and how we can do classification on unstructured data. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? That is called sentiment analysis. ठीक है? अभी let's say that you have purchased the product from online store. Okay, you want to write a review. Now, based on the review that you write, I want to classify that review as a positive review or a negative review or a neutral review. So how do I do it? That will be part of the sentiment analysis using text analysis. Okay? Now I can also extract information from a text. That is called pattern matching. SQL पे pattern matching किया है? In SQL, you must have done pattern matching, isn't it? How? Suppose I want to find all the employees or all the students whose name starts with A. Like. Okay, so that is called the like statement. But in Python, when we have to do pattern matching, we have to use something called as regular expressions. So regular expression is a more complex, more sophisticated way of finding patterns. Now, what do you mean by finding patterns in a text? Can you, let's take a few examples. आपको क्या लगता है? What are the patterns? What do you mean by the term patterns?
Repeating.
हाँ बोलो, patterns are
Repeating entity.
repeating entities. Okay. ठीक है. Anything else? Tejas, Ankita. एक text है. You have a text. Okay. We are not talking of any structured form. एक free form text है. There, I want to find patterns. So what could be some patterns? Just said repeating entries. इसका एग्जांपल दे सकते हो? Any specific example of repeating entries? Pronouns. Okay. Okay. Pronouns. Fine. ठीक है. हाँ.
Calendar year. Calendar जान है.
Calendar माने?
January, February, March, April. Then the end of the December, they can start with the January.
ठीक है. तो you can say specific names. Okay. ठीक है. Anything else? Think of a text. Newspaper article, reviews, syllabus, novel. Think of that as a data input.
Information about the particular topic only that.
हाँ, वही specific names हो गया. Okay.
Length of the word.
You don't know which word you're looking at. See, pattern का मतलब है you're looking at some very specific things. Are all documents same? No, every document is unique, right? So how do I extract information from only that particular document? Uska pattern alag hoga. A different document will have its own pattern. Okay, now very simple example. Compare two websites. Okay, are the websites similar? There could be some tags which are similar. Okay, title is same. Title is there. Okay, there will be some, let's say, second level heading. But inside the page, one page could be different, the other page could be different. Right? So what is specific to one page? What is specific to this page? That is called pattern matching. Okay, simple examples, emails. Okay, here what is the pattern?
Text, then
Correct.
then dot.
So you have a text followed by @ followed by text, followed by a dot, followed by a text. This is called pattern. You have to specify the exact pattern. समझ में आ रहा है?
Like password.
Password नहीं. Password has That's more of a rule that it has to follow this. Now, password does not say that first 2 characters should be uppercase.
Yes.
It says there should be an uppercase. ठीक है, इस पे क्या है? Specific है. You have a text and an ampersand will follow the text. You cannot have a space before the ampersand. Okay. So every text document is very specific in terms of patterns. So this is one pattern. What are the other patterns that you can find?
Phone number.
Phone number, very good. So to generalize this, we can find digits.
New line starting with capital.
Very good. Patterns. All the sentences starting with capital. That is also pattern. Find all the words which are capital, which have the first letter capital. तो उसका pattern क्या होगा? Capital letter followed by one or more, or I can say 0 or more small letters. Right? So this is also a pattern. So I can have a word capital letter followed by nothing. So I can have the pronoun I. I can also have the word India. Capital followed by small letters. So दोनों pattern match हो गए. Now if I have to find only this, then
0 will become
0 won't come. Capital followed by 1 or more. Then I will get only this. So depending upon how your document is structured, what kind of information that you want to retrieve, you have to use the expression. This is called as the format. Okay. So what format you specify, only that will be matched and you will get the results. Okay. Now this is done using regular expressions. Now what are the other things that you can do in regular expressions is you can also clean text. Text cleansing हमने किया है. Sorry, not text cleansing, data cleansing, right? Finding the nulls, replace with whatever statistical measures. If there's a 0, replace. Outliers, we can replace. But text pe kya hai? Can you have outliers in a text?
No.
Can you have nulls? No. So what is that you will clean in a text?
pronouns. Because we are looking for specific words.
Like cleaning.
To understand the sentiment, we will not use pronouns, right?
That is different. But I'm talking of cleaning the text. What will you clean in a text? Spelling, we won't clean it, we will find it. Okay?
Irregular, other than patterns, suppose email ID is to be written, it is not in the set pattern.
We will clean special characters. This is the only thing which is there in a text which can cause problems. Okay? Special characters पे क्या-क्या आता है? Punctuation marks, mainly punctuation marks. Okay, /n, new line character, tab, punctuation marks, asterisks, जो भी है. This does not add any value to the text. Again, punctuation marks should be handled with care. Not every punctuation mark is a bad text. So first you will do the basic cleansing, that is removing the spaces. Then again check what are the unnecessary marks, characters that you have, clean that, and then do it step by step. Okay? So this is called text cleansing. So this is also supported in regular expressions. Okay, so this is the basic introduction. So let's get started. Python app khul liya? Okay. Ankita, any questions, any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Okay. So we are going to use text analytics using regular expressions. You must have done regular expressions, no? Yes.
Yes.
In Unix.
Yeah. In JavaScript.
JavaScript में क्या है? Okay.
I'm having an exam tomorrow.
On
Sunday.
अच्छा.
Because on Monday it was supposed to happen on Monday.
हाँ.
But university had some elections.
Okay.
So it got postponed to tomorrow. University. Right.
So import the library called RE for regular expressions.
So data.
No data sets. इसके लिए no data sets. We will start with variables, and then when we do the classification, I'll give you the data sets. Learning के लिए नहीं थी. RE stands for the regular expressions. So first thing that we'll see is how to split a sentence into words. Do you know what is this called? Splitting a sentence into words? Yeah, I think I must have told you in the class, or you must have done this in the class. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? There's a specific word for this. एक sentence है, okay? My name is Tejas. ये sentence हुआ. What are the words? My name is Tejas. So what are these words known as? Words are okay, I mean, but there's a specific name. It is called token. Okay, this is called tokenization. So first start with a simple one. So let's call this sentence one equals, let's say this chapter is all about regular expressions. Now I have to convert this into words. So I will use RE, which is the library dot split. Now look at the description of this function. Split function takes two parameters. Number one, what is the pattern that you want to match? And the second parameter is what is the source. Okay, find the pattern in which source. So what is my source? Sentence one. What is the pattern that I want? यहाँ पे pattern बोलो क्या है? Token सबको करना है. Token is the final result. Space. Because I want to split wherever there is a space. Find a space, split. तो क्या होगा? Before the space, whatever text is there, that becomes my token. Find the next space. What is the word before that becomes my next token. So how many tokens will I get here? This chapter is all about regular expression 7. Okay. Now, how do you specify? So the parameters are, first parameter is the pattern. Second parameter is the source. Okay. Now, what is the pattern that I have to specify? Space. So I'll give /s. So I'll give you the list of all the parameters that we use, that is the keywords. So /s means find all the spaces. Now see the result. The result is in which form? It's a list form. So I can store the result like this. Token 1 equals. And now look at the data type of token 1. It is a list. What is the length of the token? 7. And then print token 1. Fine, clear? Now, what are the, so how do you find the other patterns? For example, I want to find a tab. So tab is /t, backspace is /b, new line character /n, enter key or new line, and /s is space. Okay. These are the escape characters. Now let us take one more sentence. Sentence 2. So I/t/t/n/n/n let's take one /t. /t का मतलब क्या है? Tabs. So you'll have, depending upon the settings, the default tab space is 7. So 7, 7, 7. So you have 21 spaces, right? So I am tab learning regular expressions /t. Now I have to remove /t. Okay, पहले print करके just print it out and see. Send to. Now see the output. Now how do I remove and tokenize this? So here I will write re.split pattern and the source. Now what should come in the pattern? Bolo?
/t.
/t, because I want to find tabs. So /t. Sorry, not remove, split on tabs. Now, when you have a new line character, then when split text on new line. So take the same sentence. Make it sent3 and just change this to /n. Now see how the text is. Okay, /n means new line. Now how to remove it? /n and sentence3. Can you tell me why am I getting extra spaces?
Because we are giving only one/n.
We have given only
One/n.
so
It is matching the pattern. After one/n, it is taking the character.
because there is nothing before /n. Look here. /n, it is splitting on /n. Okay, so what is before that? Blank. So it is printing the blank. That is white space. Second one, /n, it will split. What is before that? Blank character. So it is printing blank character. Any questions? Okay. Now, okay, do one small assignment. Create a text with /n/t remove all white spaces. Create any sentence of your choice and remove all the white spaces and display the tokens. Take any sentence, okay? I'm just giving an example here. Yeah, Ankita, I'll come to that. That is the reason I gave you this. Huh? Okay. So you have to remove both the /t and the /n. Okay. Now there are different ways of doing this. Number one is you can remove all the spaces at the same time. Number two is remove one at a time. Now suppose I remove /t. So what will I get if I remove /t?
List of word and /n.
Okay, try it out. If I use cent4, sorry, re.split /t cent4. Okay. It is only serving half the purpose. I'm still getting /n. If I use /n, then I will get /t. What if I use /s? /s still better, okay? It is giving me the result because tab is also a space, new line is also a space. But I'm also getting extra spaces as a output. वो expected है. Okay? So I want to suppress these spaces. So I will use /s followed by a plus sign. So this is going to suppress the display of the spaces and I'll get only the tokens. So this is one way of doing it. समझ में आ रहा है? The other way is I can give both /n and /t as my pattern. So this is how you specify multiple patterns within square brackets. So give /t /n. Now see the difference between the two outputs. So this is only going to give me so you can say plus sign will suppress the display of spaces. Ankita, is this clear? You asked this question just now that how can we display, how can we specify all the parameters and all the patterns in a single line? So what we have specified here, that is this /n/s. There's a specific name for that. These are known as identifiers. We are identifying something in the text. Okay. So what are the different types of identifiers? So I'll just write it down here. Identifiers. To identify a specific form of text. So /s is a space. Now this is case sensitive. So this is /s identifies a space. /S is anything but a space. /d is a number. /D anything but a number. Okay, so depending upon how you text this, you have to use these identifiers. /W is any character. And /W anything but a character. Suppose I want to use specific characters, just say open braces, close braces, square braces, or a full stop, or an asterisk. Okay, so you have to always put a slash followed by the sign. So if I give slash and followed by a dot, it means it will match the period. If I give a star, it will match the star. समझ में आ रहा है? So I'm not giving you the complete list. I mean, for now, this is sufficient. Okay. So this is to identify. Now, along with it, you also have something called as modifiers. What is the meaning of the term modifier? To change the display. Okay, we have identified and got the value. Now we can change the output if you want. That is called modifier. Well, a very simple example. What is slash small d? Any number. Okay, now suppose I have the display like this. 25, 79, 103. If I give slash d, I will get this. Now, what will modifier do? Suppose I want all the 2-digit numbers. समझ में आ रहा है? I want all the 2-digit numbers. So what will be the output? So if I give d, that is slash d, and within bracket, if I say 2. So the output will be 25, 79. And RE has actually, I don't know whether it is a bug or purposely done. It will also retrieve this 10. Because that is also part of 2 digits. But you got the idea that what modifier does. Okay. So this is one way of using modifiers. Second, I want to find a pattern where I want to identify all the nouns. Nouns का मतलब क्या है? How do you identify a noun? अगर आप properly follow करते हो the English language, nouns means first character is uppercase. Okay, so that is also a modifier. So how do you use a modifier? In the square brackets, I want to specify that it starts from any character from A to Z. Okay, so this means A to Z, any character, followed by what is slash W? Any character. Okay. Now, modifier will also find out whether you want one character or many characters. So if I give a plus, it will find one or more. If I give slash W dot 0 or more, sorry, star means 0 or more. So modifiers may I have plus, I have star, I have this. I'll just write it down. Okay. समझ में आ रहा है? What is the difference between modifier and identifier? To change the result as per need. So curly brackets means how number of digits that I want. So here n means how many digits you want. So 1 means all 1 digit, 2 means all 2 digits, etc. etc. Plus means match 1 or more. Star means match 0 or more. Now here also there is a dot. Okay, now the dot in regular expression has a special meaning. That is why when we want to match a period, that is a full stop, we always give a slash before it, prefix with a slash, because dot has a separate meaning. So here dot means match everything except a new line. So it will match everything till it encounters a new line. This is an OR condition. So OR, these are all advanced topics or conditions. So based on the output, you can say match this or that. So match all 4 characters or all match all 5 characters. You can specify the OR condition like this. Square brackets indicates range of characters. Example, A to Z, 0 to 9. इसका मतलब क्या है? Capital A to capital Z. Everything between A to Z, or everything between small a to Z, or numbers between 0 to 9. ठीक है, और condition use करेगा ये, not and. If you want only numbers, then specify 0 to 9. If you want only small characters, give A to Z. Only uppercase, give A to Z. Okay, so this is the range. And then we have round brackets, which means matching group of characters. Is this clear to everyone? Tejas, Yash, Ankita. Okay, there are lots of other things, but let's focus on this first. Okay, now let's do some pattern matching. Time kya hua? 10:20. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to write a sentence. Send 4 ho gaya na, so send 5. Okay, now here is a sentence. India is my country, it is in Asia, and some character, some word called AIA land. Now there's a specific reason why I gave that. Now the question is, find all the words having IA. Tell me the pattern first. हाँ, तो आइए कहाँ पे है? तो RE डॉट, अभी हमको स्प्लिट नहीं करना है. ओके, नाउ वी वांट टू फाइंड, सो वी हैव अ फंक्शन कॉल्ड फाइंड ऑल. So find all, same thing, pattern followed by source. So sentence 5. So find all the words having IA. Okay, अभी देखो IA कहाँ पे है? First word has IA. ओके, तो उस पे IA के पहले कुछ है ना? IA के पहले है ना, IND है. So this is how you have to find the pattern. Ki what exactly do I need to specify? So IA is here. So what is before IA? I have some characters. So characters कैसे specify करते हैं? /W. Now whether there is one or more than that group of characters plus, correct? Yes. So this is how you specify the pattern. So that is why every text is unique. What applies to this may not be applicable to a different text. Okay, so let's try to write the pattern for this. Now, if I simply write IA, तो क्या होगा? I want to find all the words which has IA. If I just write IA, what will happen? It will give me the pattern as it is, but not the words which contain. हमको क्या चाहिए? Words that contain. Okay. So find a range of characters. And I want to find /W will find only one occurrence. But हमको क्या चाहिए? One or more. Followed by IA. So give IA. Now run this and see. Are you getting the result? Sure.
No.
क्यों नहीं आ रहा?
End word is not there.
Correct. So that means I'm partially getting the results. तो क्या करें?
Plus W.
समझ में आ रहा है? Now suppose I give the pattern as /W star match 0 or more followed by IA. Okay, it will still give me the same result. Okay, so you have to match before and after. Okay, try this. Sentence 6 equals I'm purposely putting a capital C in capital. So the sentence is New Delhi is the capital of India. Find all the words starting with a capital letter. So the function is find all, the pattern and sentence 6. Now, how do you find a capital letter? Square brackets. Any character, है ना? So give A to Z followed by A to Z के बाद क्या है? W. So backslash W. Should it be 0 or more or 1 or more? So that you see from the text. Okay. So you can either give /W star or you can give plus. Okay. Okay. What is the pattern?
/W star A to Z.
Within square brackets. A to Z. So RE dot find all, the pattern followed by sentence 6. अभी यहाँ पे पैटर्न क्या है? Word or words, sorry, character or group of characters ending with uppercase. तो क्या होगा? /W either star or plus. Okay, followed by A to Z. Sorry, capital A. Z. So let's do this. Find all the words that has at least one uppercase. Okay, Ankita has given the answer. Good. Is it working? Are you getting the answers? Okay. What is the pattern? /W star. That means any character followed by 0 or more. Then it will have an uppercase, which will again be followed by 0 or more characters. So even if you have a single uppercase, it will fetch that, or any word which has at least one uppercase. समझ में आ रहा है ये? How to write the patterns? Okay, we'll just do one more and take a break. Extract email IDs from a given text. Now, आपने देखा होगा, lot of people they ask, what is your primary email ID? What is your secondary email ID? And what is some other mail ID? Okay, official mail ID, for example. Let's say sentence 7 equals is Yes. What is the pattern? Text.
Then at the rate and text.
डॉट टेक्स्ट कैसे आएगा? समझा नहीं. पैटर्न क्या है? ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड और ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स फॉलोड बाय @sign फॉलोड बाय ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. यही है ना? बस यही फाइंड करना. सी पैटर्न मैचिंग में देयर इज नो एग्जैक्ट वर्ड unless you have a symbol. ठीक है, तो मेल आईडी should always have @. तो @ के सामने क्या है, @ के पीछे क्या है? That is your pattern. And you have to find all the email IDs. So use the find all function.
But if there is a dot, it is not showing. It will, the condition will be /w star @/w star, right? But if there is a dot, it is not showing the dot email ID.
तो find till the end of the line. वो था ना एक condition. See, match everything except a new line. ठीक है, let's try this. re dot find all. So first is pattern and sentence 7. ठीक है. तो /w star or plus followed by ampersand, and if I give /w star, let's see what happens.
Third email ID is not.
Even the first one, look at the first one. Now why is this happening? Because of the dot. ठीक है, so dot has a special meaning in regular expressions. So here you have to specify that match everything except a new line because of that dot. कमेंट लिख लो यहाँ पे, because there is a specify the so slash W followed by a dot, which will match everything till the end of the line. Sorry, except the new line. Okay, let's take a break. 10:50 ho gaya, 15 minutes, and then we'll come back. Okay, let's start. Okay, the next thing that we'll do is find a specific email ID. Find a specific mail ID from a text. Okay, so I'm going to write text like this, sentence 8 equals. So let's say let's say okay, so let's say that I have a text like this of some students. Now I want to find out all the email IDs. Get fetch all mail ID containing the string mail.
Whether it be in the before at the rate or after at the rate.
Ideally after at the rate. Okay. Because some people can also have mail in their names. है कि नहीं? Mail me. ऐसा करते हैं. हाँ. So ठीक है. Fetch all the mail ID containing the string mail after in the domain address. तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे re dot find all sentence 8. ठीक है, तो /w till the end of the sentence, 1 or 0 or more, followed by @
But then again /w because at the end of the dot points. /w star bracket close star. Then mail the again /w dot star.
ठीक है. अभी देखो कितना सारा है. Yash at Hotmail. So Tejas is yahoo.co.in. So that is not there. Ankita at yahoo.mail. So that is come. Sri at mycompany.in. That has not come. Anu at Rediff. That has not come. SSR the Gmail. That has come. Okay, so wherever you have a string mail appearing in the domain, that is why I gave in the domain address only. अगर नाम पे भी mail आना है तो क्या करोगे? Both the name.
We have to put mail on both the sides of the first line.
So whatever came on the right hand side of the ampersand, the same thing will come on the left hand side. तेजस समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ. Good. Ankita, any questions? Okay. Now we will see how to extract a text from a tag, from a XML/HTML tag. Let's assume that I have a tag like this, first name, then there is a string, and then the tag is closed. Now I have to extract the word which is within the tags.
Extract the word
within the tag.
That is first name.
Tag के बीच में क्या है?
First name. First name.
First name is the tag.
Okay.
Slash first name is the end tag. So within the tags क्या है?
Name.
ठीक है? Sriraman should be the value that I need to extract, or whatever text that you have put. तो दोनों tag के बीच में कौन सा string? So what is the pattern?
Slash capital W.
Slash capital W. Okay, what is capital W? Anything but a character.
That will take the.
But हमको we want only this term. Right. So here, what is the pattern? I want to extract this term, is right?
Sir, square bracket, capital A to Z, and small a to Z.
यहाँ पे capital कहाँ पे है?
First letter.
ठीक है, उसको I make it small, then
Then it will take entire. Yeah.
Suppose I give this. I want to I want to extract this string. See the pattern. Pattern क्या है? Everything which is in between the greater than sign and the less than sign. है ना कि नहीं? Correct?
Yes, sir.
You need not start from here. आप कर सकते हो चाहिए तो, but why unnecessary waste all the efforts? हमको क्या चाहिए? In between the greater than sign and the less than sign. Right? Now do it. So greater than sign. And than sign. And sorry, greater than and less than. और इसके बीच में do I need a group of characters or do I need a range of characters? देखो, we need a group of characters. Group of characters कैसे define करते हो? Round bracket. Okay. Range of characters means it will take that range from A to Z. But here we want group of characters. So give group of characters. Good. And then give /w dot. Sorry, /w plus. We want to go till the end of the line. No? Greater than sign, less than sign, greater than sign, less than sign, followed by okay, find everything except so /w will give what? Any character. So any character के लिए I have to use this bracket. Now the problem with this, if I use, it is going to match the greater than sign also. ठीक है, हमको ये match नहीं करना है. We want to extract everything which is within that. So we need to exclude those things. So this may just make a note. Matches also. But we don't want to match the greater than sign and less than sign. We want to exclude it. So give re dot find all greater than sign, less than sign, and inside this match everything. Okay, match everything. /w is only for the range. Okay, हमको क्या है? Group चाहिए. So match everything which is 0 or more. तो अगर blank भी होगा तो it will return blank. Now see, this will give you the can tags be blank? Can tags be blank? हो सकता है ना? अभी देखो sentence 9 equals, let's say, title. Now, what will this return? Blank. But what is the expected output? It should be it should return spaces. Okay, this is the right output. Have you done how to read a file Python? Yeah. No? Not CSV files. So read function
that
scanner.
read file and
Scanner is C.
Example read file.
Open function के बाद read line नहीं क्या है? Extract numbers from a text. Now let us take a sentence. So, no, मुझे I want the numbers, different numbers, okay?
1,000 meter.
1 2 3 4 हो गया. I need 5 digits. Something. Okay. See, randomly, I've given some sentence. Now, the idea behind such a weird sentence is, you see there are different digits. Okay, numbers with different digits. 1 digit hai, 2 digit hai, 3 digit hai, 4 digit hai, 5 digit hai, and 6 digits. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and 1 lakh. So how do you extract all the numbers? What are the challenges that you have when you are extracting numbers? How do you see? There are some advanced topics also, which I won't cover it today, maybe tomorrow or but okay. But first, let us look at how to do it in a simple way. So get all numbers. Numbers का क्या है? What is the
curly brackets.
what is the identifier for numbers?
D.
कौन सा D?
Small.
Small d. Okay, good. So re dot find all pattern followed by sentence. And then give /d. Now, if I give /d, it is going to give all the numbers, but I want the numbers as it is. Okay, so you have to give d plus. Now you will see that I get the numbers as it is in my text. But are you sure these are numbers? They are text. Okay, nahi? Output is in text format. Can you think of any other mechanism by which I can get the numbers?
Capital anything but text character.
Try.
So they're taking text numbers also as text.
Okay. Anything but a character. So /w nahi hai. Capital
D.
D क्या है? Anything but a digit. But we want digits. ठीक है, I'll give you a clue. You tell me. ठीक है? अब बोलो.
Range
Of
0 to 9.
0 to 9. Very good. Try this. Is it working? Array 0 to 9 plus. So either use /d or I can use 0 to 9 and I will get the numbers. So I'm just going to store this result. Numbers nums equals and nums equals. So print nums. So here you can see that I'm getting the numbers. Now the challenge comes when I want to extract, let's say, all 3-digit numbers. Okay. So let's say extract all 3-digit numbers. So I can write re dot find all since 10, okay, /d for digits, curly bracket 3. Okay, now what should be the output? 365 should be the output, right? But what will I get? 365, 102, 864, 578, right? 220 कहाँ से आया भाई? हाँ, because it is splitting that into 3, 3. So I'm getting 5, 7, 8 and 2, 2, 0. Is this the right output? No. So how do you fix it? So one very easy method, I'll tell you the easy method. I'll tell you the difficult method later. That is, I won't say difficult, it's an advanced topic. It is called look ahead and look behind. Okay, so I'll cover that later. First, let us look at the simple method. Can you tell me how to get all the 3-digit numbers from the list nums? We have created a list. So it's a simple for loop for every value, for every n in nums. If len of n equals 3, यही करना है ना? Because this is in a string format. So print int of n. Right? Now what will I get? 365. This is a very simple method by which you can get. There is an advanced technique I'll tell later. Advanced method that is called look ahead and look behind method. In very simple terms, what does it mean? I'm giving the condition. Okay, first I'll give the pattern. What is the pattern? Number. Now, what is the condition that I want to give for this pattern?
Value is 3.
नहीं, हाँ वो तो I'm getting the number. Okay, /d number हो गया. Now in the look ahead, look behind method, I am specifying for the pattern. Before that pattern, what should be there? After the pattern, what should be there? Right? See here. Let's say I have some numbers 7, 64, 103, 99, 2135, 61374, 83. Okay, now I want all the 2-digit numbers. Okay, now 2-digit numbers क्या है? This and this and this one. Now look ahead and look behind method says that I want all of this, but before this number, I should have something or should not have something. And after this, I should have something or should not have something. इसके पहले कुछ है कि नहीं है, इसके बाद डू आई नीड समथिंग, यस और नो. So this is called look ahead and this is called look behind. Okay, so I'll teach this method tomorrow. First, get used to the basics of the text. But for now, you can use this method. Very simple. The output is in list form. Loop through the list, find the length, and get all the 2 digits. Suppose I want to find out, I want to extract. Okay, do this exercise. Create a text having customer name and phone number, that is mobile phone number, in the format name colon phone. Extract all the phone numbers. Do this exercise. Have some 5 to 10 customer names. Okay. They just finished. क्या है condition?
Simple slash D. Simple slash D.
Simple slash D.
And plus.
अगर मान लो there are other numbers in that.
Like.
Let's say address. You have the address, no? House number. Then this won't work. Okay, I'll just put this also store other numeric data like age or door number. Then extract all the phone numbers. Okay, now here if I do slash D plus, it is giving me all the numbers. Okay, but I want only the phone numbers. So what should I do?
Extract this in a variable list and then run a for loop when the number is greater. Length of number is greater than.
Okay, that is one way, but I can avoid that. What is the length of a mobile number? Fixed, है ना? It is universally fixed number. Now tell me. Curly brackets 10. समझ में आ रहा है? Clear? Do this. Okay, this is a sentence. I think I have understood regular expressions. So this is the next assignment. Very simple. Extract the text after the word think. तो क्या आना चाहिए? What should be the output?
Think and plus.
No, what should be the output? Extract the text after the word think. I have understood regular expressions. Okay, do this. You can use regular expressions method. You can also try the regular Python method.
Will the regular Python method be sufficient?
Try both. One is the RE method. RE method हो गया? RE method pe, what is the pattern that you have to find? Find everything after think. So that means think followed by a group of characters. Okay, till the end of the line. Range will include the word. Group of characters will exclude the word. So we have to use RE dot find all. Okay, now what is it that we have to find? Think. And then everything after that. So that means till the end, everything except a new line and 0 or more. Correct? So the output is I have understood regular expressions. Slash, take it, that's okay. Good. Yes. Clear? Tejas?
Yes.
Ankita? तो इसका पाइथन मेथड कैसे?
String will not work.
String
will not work.
Why not?
I am getting here string indices must be integer.
Okay.
The first idea is the colon.
No, don't hardcode it. The idea is right. Starting, ending, how much? Oh, sorry. Or starting till how much?
Till end means we put colon.
Colon.
Till string indices must be integers.
Eight common. But hard coding of 8 is not allowed. So Python method is very simple. You have to first find out the starting index. Okay. So send 12 dot index. What does the index method do? The index of the word. So what is our word here? Think. So it will return the value 2.
But this index is of first character. This last index of
1 second. Send 2 क्या है? I think I have
0, 1, 2. Sir, correct.
हाँ ठीक है तो है.
Sir, will we do last index of?
Okay.
Because 2 is of T. We want K after K, right?
So this will return 2. But I want the value. So 1 second. So I'll just store the value here. NDX equals this. Okay. So NDX का value क्या है? 2. But what should be the starting position? 5 है 0 1 space 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. So what should you do? Index plus 5 कहाँ से आएगा?
Length of
very good. Index plus length of the word plus 1. Right? So index will be index plus length of the word plus 1. Right? Now do sentence 12 from this index position all the way till the last. Now you'll get the sentence. So this is how you have to write programs or any script without hard coding. Clear है ये? ठीक है, we'll just finish off a couple of more things. So let's say I want to extract a specific pattern. Now given sentence 13 equals. Now I have a sentence that says dollar, the dollar sign means dollar. Okay. The star means asterisk. I have a kind of a codification. Okay. So I want to extract the word for which I'm giving the symbol. So for example, if I say dollar, okay, this is the dollar sign. So dollar means it indicates dollar. Okay. This means asterisk. And if I give, let's say this means percentage. Now, how do I extract the word asterisk? Asterisk. Asterisk. A-S-T-E-R-N, asterisk. Asterisk. Extract the word that matches the symbol. Okay. Extract the input equals star, output equals asterisk. Okay. So RE dot find all so what should I give here? We are matching symbols. Now symbols, when we are matching, what should be prefix the symbol with a slash. Okay, so slash. Because star has a special meaning, dollar has a special meaning. So that's why we cannot use it as it is. So slash means I am actually finding that word or that symbol. Okay. So if I give slash followed by star, that is asterisk, it means find asterisk. Okay. Asterisk ka otherwise, what is the meaning of that in regular expressions? Zero or more matches. Okay. So match this followed by what? A group of characters. Okay, not the range of characters, group of characters. So you know how to do that. Dot, zero or more. Actually, it is finding everything. So we can match W. Okay, match everything. Let's try this. Because we have a comma here. So that is the reason. So star followed by a group of characters. Clear?
Sir, I wanted to ask how to find last index of a string.
Find?
Last index. Like in Java, we have last index of function.
Maybe here, last index.
The word itself.
No, it is called R index.
Sir, I did that, but I got 12th output.
Because you have only one term, no? That's right. So first and last will be the same.
Sir, for think it will be 5.
It will always return the starting position of the index. Let's say you have think in the first position and think in the 20th position. Okay. Starting letter of think is T. So T, it will find that index. So right will return 20, left will return 0. If you have only one term, both will return 0. Last part, which is text cleansing. Very important when it comes to text analytics. So let's say that I have a sentence, sent 14. So text like this. There are unwanted characters. This sentence. This means, let's see. So you can see that there are some characters which I want to clean so that I have a nicely formatted sentence. So what should we do? What should be the desired output?
There are lots of
Desired output क्या है वो बोलो.
all special characters going on.
Right. Now, when I say gone, what do you mean by that? We cannot just remove it. Okay, it has to be found and replaced. ठीक है? ये नहीं कि पेंसिल से लिखा है रब इरेजर से मिटा दिया. We cannot do that. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है? We have to find and replace. So find exclamation replace with space. Find the question mark replace with space. Correct? So that is called as a substitution method. In regular expression, we have something called substitution. So RE dot sub. Sub means substitution. What is the source? That is, what do you want to substitute? With what value I want to substitute? And where do I want to substitute? So I want to substitute in cent14. Okay. What do I want to substitute? हमको character नहीं substitute करना.
Group of
We want to substitute all the special characters, right? Exclamation mark, question mark, tabs, new line characters, we have to substitute, isn't it?
all other than characters.
तो कौन सा है वो?
/W capital.
Anything but a character. So which is /W. So give here anything. Now see what happens. Output देखो. सब एक लाइन पे आ गया, right? I mean, not एक line. There is no gap. So that means the value with which we are substituting is not right. So give a space here. Now check. ठीक है? So this is how you fix text. हमारा objective क्या था? To not remove the space. So पहला objective हो गया. Now how do I remove the space? Trim काम करेगा. Try it, or I can use re.split /s I'll use the plus so that I don't get the spaces. ये हो गया. And then use join. And now see, how my text is. So first, remove the junk characters, then deal with spaces, convert them into tokens, and then use the join. And then use the strip function. And now you will see that the space in the front before there, that has gone. Sequencing समझ में आ गया? Remove the bad characters, then the spaces, tokenize them, then form the words, form the sentence from the words, then deal with the other spaces. So systematically, you have to do that. So that is the end of regular expressions. Tomorrow we are going to start natural language toolkit. Okay. That is how to form meaningful patterns in my data by removing extra things from my data set. How to do sentence tokenization. How to find the nouns. How to find the grammatical components of my sentence. All these things will be done tomorrow using the NLTK library. So you need to download and install it. Okay, so I'll tell you the steps how to do it. Just follow this and it will take around half an hour to do this. So do this NLTK dot download and run this. Have you installed NLTK? पहले NLTK इंस्टॉल कर लो. वो मेरे ख्याल से रहेगा NLTK. Import NLTK करो, it should be there. नहीं है? ऐसे कैसे? Okay, download it from this thing. Install it from Anaconda. But that should have been installed actually. It is part of the library, main library.
Sure, it is showing a separate library. Okay.
हाँ उसको इंस्टॉल कर लो. They just install NLTK and do it in your base environment, okay? Not TensorFlow environment.
Okay.
NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit. See, build Python programs to work with human language data. अगर install नहीं है, then go to not installed and here type NLTK.
This would be already installed.
है ना? हाँ, then it should be installed actually.
Install would take TensorFlow.
नहीं TensorFlow पे नहीं करना. You have to do it in the base. I was surprised when you said install nahi hai. It is part of it. So first import NLTK and then run this line. First import the library NLTK and then run the line NLTK.download. What? Now you will see one window. You will get this message on the right hand side. And you will get this window. ये देखो. So this is this will contain the list of libraries that we need to work with NLTK. So select this package called all and then click on install your download. कौन सा है?
Right.
नहीं है.
That's right.
हाँ ये आ गया. All है ना? Now click download. Click all. The first option. Download. नहीं जुपिटर नहीं चाहिए. छोड़ो. Import NLTK करो उधर. ये कौन सा एनवायरनमेंट है? अरे TensorFlow पे नहीं करना. The basic one. So this will take time. Then let's take this. Ankita, have you finished the installation? Okay, fine. So do the installation today so that we are ready with the NLTK package tomorrow. Okay. So we will stop here and we will continue NLTK from tomorrow. Okay. हाँ. NLTK dot download किया? Download. पूरा होने के बाद सब इंस्टॉल but follow the method कि क्या करना है. Okay. Okay, so see you tomorrow then. Ankita, bye.